After almost a month's delay, this week New York's legislature is starting the process to pass the state budget. Now our New York State Capitol correspondent Elise Klein talks to lawmakers about some of the biggest issues in the budget this year and updates us on where it stands right now.
Today, New York State lawmakers start debating the final state budget 1 month after its original deadline. Throughout the budget process, lawmakers have said bail reform is one of the major sticking points. Last week, Governor Hochul announced the final budget plan has an agreement to eliminate the least restrictive means, a standard for judges to set bail.
It gives judges discretion. They need to hold violent criminals accountable, while still upholding our commitment to a justice system that is fair and accessible to all, and also ensuring that poverty is never treated as a crime.
Hochul said the final budget will include $40 million for public defenders to help them retain staff and enhance services they provide, including a pay increase. Senate Majority Leader Andrea Stewart-Cousins says the governor's push for this bail change is a needed clarification for judges, but emphasized they always had discretion.
And we've removed what the governor feels is a confusion, but again, we will continue to be data-driven. We think it is important that as we move around in this space that we, again, not criminalize poverty, that we criminalize criminals.
Assemblymember Phil Palmisano says the governor's change to the least restrictive means standard doesn't go far enough to address issues of public safety.
Our least restrictive standard might improve it a little bit. That's just a small sliver of the criminal justice policies that we continue to see be advocated and passed, and which has created the public safety crisis we have in our communities across the state.
Some lawmakers are saying bail changes will likely be in the Education, Labor, and Family Assistance Bill, also known as ELFA. Also known as this year's Big Ugly, it's one big bill where several contentious issues, including bail reform, are put together. In Albany, Elise Klein, WNY News Now.